If you don't have digital products on your website, you're already behind. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down how to create those digital products that you see everybody have, whether you're trying to create an email freebie, you're trying to sell your knowledge, you're trying to create a planner. I'm going to be showing you how to create those things with Canva. So go ahead and stay tuned. Let's start by pulling up canva.com. So if you watch any of my previous tutorials, then you already know how to use Canva. So one of the things that I like to do when it comes to creating ebooks is I like to actually search the templates. The templates on Canva are going to be a lifesaver for you. So we're going to search ebooks. Okay, and they'll have a bunch of different templates for you. And you'll just scroll through, find something similar to what you're looking for. But I'm going to tell you right now, this one is one of the best templates that they have on here when it comes to ebooks. And I'm going to tell you why. So let's go ahead and click it. The first thing I like to pay attention to is the size. So typically for ebooks, the size I like to go for is an A4 document or the letter document. And as you can see up here, it does have ebook A4 document. So this is going to be perfect for when people are looking at your ebook on their phone. Now, the next thing that I like to do is I create a checklist of things that I need my ebook to have. The first one I need is the cover page, which is your title page. So that'll be this page right here. Now, when we start with this page right here, as you can see with this template, it has where you can put your logo here, creative ebook title, your website. Some people like to get theirs, like just their cover professionally done. But if you don't, you can go ahead and start adding your brand colors. So I'm going to do a quick ebook cover for you, so I can show you how simple it is. So we're going to go ahead, switch the background. I'm going to go with, so my signature green. No, I'm going to go with white. White, let's remove that. Okay, so there we have something quick and simple. The second thing I like to do is add a copyright claim, and that's what I'll typically add on the second page. And I can show you what one of those would look like. I'm actually going to pull up one of mine, and then we're going to come back to here. And with this copyright claim, it's just going to protect you from people trying to steal your ebook content and resell it. Now, the next thing I like to do is go to the introduction page. So that's typically what you have here. So it'll have your name, your company name, what the book is about, something about yourself, and then your website or how to contact you. Nice and simple. And then what we're going to want to do is go into the chapters or the table of contents. So you'll write how many different chapters you have. You can have it in a similar format like this. Of course, you're going to change it to your brand colors. So I'm just going to quickly add mine to show y'all how simple it is. We're going to make this black. Because really with your ebook, as long as the knowledge is good, you don't need anything super fancy. The next thing we're going to go into is the actual content. So what I like to do for all my ebooks is I do like to have these fancy chapter pages. So it's just going to have whatever chapter it is, the title of the chapter right before we go into the content. And then you'll make all of your content pages. So here's something simple to where she just adds a picture. Then you have the words. And you can do the exact same thing for your ebook. It doesn't have to be complicated at all. And you'll follow this format throughout the entire ebook. So it makes it nice and simple when it comes to creating. So if you're on chapter 2, you're going to do your chapter 2 title page. You're going to create a page just like this, switch out the picture to go along with whatever topic you're talking about. So that way it'll keep it simple for you, so you don't have to be trying to figure out how you're going to design all these creative pages, because what we're going to be focused on is the knowledge that we're adding to these books. Then the last thing that I like to do is, so we're going to scroll down. As you can see, they have just some other page examples for you. And then they'll put like a photo or text title, different other examples. If you want to add some quote pages in there. And then the closing page. So the closing page, this is where I typically will put my thank you. I'll put a photo of myself. I'll put where they can subscribe or contact me at, my social media handles. And if I have any follow-up products after this one, then I'll add that in this as well. Then once you have your ebook completed, you have all your content added, and everything is perfect to how you like it, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to download it. So you're going to come up here and go to share. So we go to download. And the thing that I like to select when I go to download is, as you can see, it says file type. You're going to go to PDF standard. So it says best for documents and emailing. The other option they have is PDF print, which is best for printing. So as you can see, we're not printing this out. So we're going to do the PDF standard, and then we're going to download. Okay, now let's pull it up so I can show you what it looks like when it's downloaded. And this is just the quick version of what we had in Canva. So as you can see, the page formats, the chapters, and then the end page. And of course, this will have all of your information in it. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to do this on Shopify. So I'm going to show you what apps you need to download and how you're going to upload it to your product. So I have up my Shopify website, which is one of my dummy accounts. But the first thing you're going to want to do is add the app. So you're going to go to the apps, then you're going to go to the Shopify App Store and type in digital downloads. So this is going to be the app that you use to sell all your digital products on your store. You're going to go ahead, add this app. It is free, and download it directly to your Shopify store. So let's install the app. So the next thing we need to do is create a product so I can show you how to add it. So we're going to go to add products. And I'm just going to type in some generic information here. So we're going to do how to create digital products. Type in a brief description. And then once you go down, which of course you got to add the pricing. But then you're going to select save. Set as active. So now we're going to select save, set as active. Then we're going to go ahead and go over to more actions. Add digital attachment. And then we're going to upload the file. And then once you have that file uploaded, you're all done. Nice and simple. Thank you so much for watching this video today. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop that in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media channels. I am Destiny Adams on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Pinterest, pretty much everything. I have a free Facebook group, which is the Side Business Hustle, which I'm going to drop a link to that in the description section. So if you want to promote your products, just connect with the community, ask any other questions, you can go ahead and add that group, and go ahead and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.